Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great because today I have really good opportunity to us because the crypto market has been all over the place the last few months. We had a Bitcoin hits new highs, everyone got excited and then it just pulled back. If you have been waiting to position yourself before the next rally, that window might be the closer than most people think. But there's a thing, it doesn't just matter what you buy, it matters how you buy it. And most people still doing the wrong way. If you're like most people watching this, you are probably using a regular exchange, Coinbase, Binance, and I use all of them too. And just look at this. They got the job done, the small trades, but the moment you start really moving the real capital, you start running into the same problems. You are completely on your own. No one to call, no one is guiding you. You are just clicking the buttons and hoping for the numbers go up, and that's by the design. Exchange we are built for self-serve retail trading, which is fine when you are getting started, but if you are actually serious for your own portfolio, tracking projects, allocation real money, you are kind of outgrowth what an exchange can offer you. Most people just can't realize there's a better option is sitting here. So the way that it works, it's that if you look at their platform, it's look like any traditional exchange. You can see that they have most popular buy volume and the market cap, top gainers, top losers, and once you are in your account, you could see all the different assets. You can search it up. You can also just click on the, let's say, Bitcoin, and you can see how much you want to buy, how much you want to sell. You can see everything in here. But the way the work is, you can set up multiple trades for different crypto at one time and put it something called a multi-trade queue, and it says like queue trades to place together and a multi-rate order. So you could do this as well. So the cool thing at this platform thought is that you're not actually buying and selling. So in my opinion, UpTrade is much better for the long time investing, not just people who want to go about buying and selling within an hour. So this is the more important thing in the website. So for your account, you are going to see something called my broker. Under my broker, it's going to give you specific information of your particular broker. That's like your directly contact for buying, selling, and just overall what's going on in the market. So that's something is really important because isn't unlike the other platform out there. In addition to this, they have all of the on or off ramp support, and they allow you to go having some days and execution for your trades. But like I said, the most important thing at this platform is that it's a crypto exchange, but it's more than so designed for long term, where you can exposure to the top performing projects and have some advice from your one-of-one co-worker, your broker. You're talking to them, you know everything, having a direct relationship with them. So anyone is new to this approach, it's usually some of the largest wealth managers in the world do. So I've been spending a lot of time on a brokerage desk called UpTrade recently, and its work completely different from the anything else I've used. UpTrade is a crypto brokerage, it's not an exchange, brokerage, and that distinction matters more than people realize. The way it's work, they pair you with a decided broker, a real person, not a chatbot, not a support ticket that takes 3 days to reply. Someone who knows the market, understands what you are getting to, and is actually there to help you think through your moves. You got their direct contact, you can communicate with them about what you want to do, and they help you execute properly. If you can go and see it, his team is really strong, really good. They have 10,000 investors in the worldwide. You can check it if you want. It is in the website. If you ever heard of JP Morgan or any of those high net worth accounts where healthy investors get a dedicated financial advisor, that's the model is UpTrade. It's bringing the crypto. That kind of service is just hasn't existed in the space until now, and that's genuinely what makes it different from every exchange we are talking about on this channel. So let's talk about what actually that means day to day, because there are few things we are had already stand out. The first is having a real broker by on your side. You can manage your own trades whenever you want, But if you are busy traveling or just don't have time for the check the market, you can literally message to your broker and they handle it for 24/7 whatever you want. You can check it on the down to website. Market don't run on the business hours and neither does UpTrade. That's something no exchange for the planet offers you. Your portfolio keep moving even when you are not at your desk. The third is research baking. Every broker on the platform is supported by an in-house analyst team putting in 200 hours in a week. Guidance you getting isn't just one person opinion. There's a whole team of analysts working behind the scenes, making sure your broker is actually knows what they are talking about. The fourth is peace of mind, and honestly this isn't the one people don't talk about enough. Crypto is stressful, price is moving fast, information is everywhere and easy to make the emotional decisions. Having a decided a professional who knows your portfolio and can give you grounded perspective, things get noisy. That's change how you operate it. You just stop reacting and actually investing. I'm just telling you again, they just had 511 assets available, over 10,000 investors on the platform, and over $1 billion assets under the management. So the scale is real. The platform itself, it's really straightforward and easy. When you log in, you got your top assets by the volume and the market cap, gainers, losers. It looks familiar. You can search any asset, pull up the charts and set up your trade. It's simple on purpose. The complexity isn't in the interface, isn't in the support layer behind it. That's where the UpTrade put its energy. Now the obvious question, who is UpTrade? And should you trust them with your money? They are registered digital currency exchange provider. Custody is handled through the Fireblocks, which is the institutional standard for crypto security, and their research team platform UpTrade Alpha, which bakes every broker on the platform, just won the best crypto research platform at the Paris Blockchain Week 2026. So when they say their brokers are the baked by serious analysis worked, that's not a marketing line. There's a award behind it. This is a properly built platform, not another exchange, not another app get your trade of your fast. So if you are positioning for what is coming and you wanna do it without actual broker in your corner rather than retail exchange interface, UpTrade is the move. It's free to create account. You can do it every time. You can do it for all free. And through my link in the description, my community gets the 30% of brokerage fees for life. Not just for your first trade, for life. So if you're going to make moves in this market anyways, that's a no-brainer. I put the links below. Book your session, see how it's work and get started. This is what the next level looks like. Alright guys, that's a UpTrade in a nutshell. If you are looking to sharpen your trading skills without losing your shirt, this is the place to be. If you like this video, smash the like button. I read your all comments. Don't forget to make it, and see you on the next video guys. Ciao ciao.